Looking for a hassle-free way to keep your lawn perfectly trimmed? In this video, we're showcasing 5 easy-to-use lawn mowers for seniors. These mowers are designed for comfort, safety, and efficiency, making yard work simple and stress-free. Whether you're a first-time user or just want a lightweight, reliable mower, we've got the top picks that combine ease of use, smart features, and smooth performance.
Fifth product on the list, Relied Remote Control Lawn Mower. Relied's customizable remote control lawn mower is designed for seniors and first-time users who value both comfort and control. It features an advanced remote start and stop system, allowing easy operation without manual handling. With a 550 millimeter cutting width and adjustable height from 20 to 150 millimeters, users can achieve precise, even cuts across different terrains. Powered by a 224cc launch-in engine and dual 750-watt brushless motors, this mower delivers strong performance and efficient fuel consumption of just 1.2 liters per hour. Its 45-degree gradability and 150-millimeter wide tracks make it perfect for slopes and uneven grounds. Moreover, it's self-propelled, cordless, and built for all-terrain mowing. The electric lift and remote lighting system adds safety and convenience, making lawn care effortless and enjoyable. Fourth product on the list, Haoyunma Intelligent Lawn Mower. The Haoyunma Intelligent Lawn Mower is designed for seniors and first-time users who want effortless and precise lawn care. This fully automatic robotic mower offers an advanced mobile phone control system, allowing users to plan mowing paths with ease directly from their smartphone. Its smart navigation technology ensures smooth movement and efficient cutting, saving time while delivering consistent results. The mower intelligently avoids obstacles and covers every corner of the yard for a uniform finish. Built for convenience, it requires minimal supervision and offers quiet operation for a peaceful outdoor experience. With its intelligent system and efficient design, the Haoyunma mower makes lawn maintenance simpler than ever. Perfect for homeowners who value comfort and precision, this mower brings smart technology to everyday lawn care, ideal for small and medium-sized gardens. Third product on the list, 8802 Intelligent Lawn Mower. The 8802 Intelligent Lawn Mowing Robot is perfect for seniors and first-time buyers looking for an easy-to-use lawn care solution. This compact mower is powered by a lithium battery that delivers 60 to 90 minutes of mowing, making it ideal for small yards and household gardens. Equipped with AI recognition technology, it intelligently navigates obstacles and ensures a uniform, precise cut every time. The mower also features fast charging, so it's ready for use quickly and reduces downtime. Its lightweight and compact design make operation simple, while the quiet performance allows mowing without disturbing the household. With minimal supervision required, it's a convenient solution for anyone who wants a neat, well-maintained lawn effortlessly. The 8802 Intelligent Lawn Mower combines smart technology, efficiency, and ease of use, making it a top choice for homeowners seeking reliable, hassle-free lawn care.
Second product on the list is the Neomow X Robotic Lawn Mower. The Neomow X Series robotic lawn mower is perfect for seniors and first-time buyers who want smart, effortless lawn care. Designed for large yards up to 15 acres, it operates wire-free using advanced 3D LiDAR SLAM vision mapping to navigate precisely and efficiently. Battery-powered and built with aluminum plastic materials, this mower is both durable and lightweight for its size. Its 11-inch cutting width and maximum adjustable cutting height of 33 inches allow for clean, professional cuts on all types of grass. The mower operates fully automatically, reducing physical effort while saving time. Its intuitive system ensures safe operation without complicated setup, and no RTK station is required. With a sleek gray design and smart technology, the Neomow X series delivers convenience, precision, and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking modern, easy-to-use lawn care solutions.
First product on the list, XMSJ Gasoline Remote Control Lawn Mower. XMSJ Rubber Crawler Robot Gasoline Remote Control Lawn Mower, top choice for easy lawn care. The XMSJ Rubber Crawler Robot Lawn Mower is ideal for seniors and first-time buyers who want effortless and powerful lawn maintenance. This industrial-grade mower is remote-controlled with a 200-meter range, allowing users to mow safely without physical strain. Powered by a 452cc Lonkin gasoline engine with 16 to 22 PS, it handles tough terrains with ease. The electric tracked walking system and anti-slip design allow it to tackle slopes up to 60 degrees, making it perfect for uneven or hilly yards. It offers an adjustable cutting height from 10 mm to 200 mm and a mowing width of 800 mm, providing precise and efficient cutting. The cordless electric start system ensures easy operation, while the robust crawler tracks offer stability and durability. With OEM and ODM support, the XMSJ mower combines convenience, safety, and performance, making it a top choice for reliable, easy-to-use lawn care.